Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raju Masra from Raju Mansur. I'm from class PA111 4B. Today I will presenting about bird strike incident at Malaysia Airport. Okay, I will explain the introduction. For introduction, it explains air transportation is one of the most important components of national and international mobility, connecting people and goods across vast distance in short time. However, the safety and efficiency of air transportation depend on many factors including airport operation, weather condition, infrastructure, and wildlife management. One of the major operational hazards faced by airports worldwide, including in Malaysia, is bird strike incident. A bird strike occurs when a bird collides with an aircraft during takeoff, landing, or while in flight. Although most bird strikes do not cause serious damage, some incidents may affect aircraft engine, windshield, and flight safety, leading emergency landing of expensive repair. Due to Malaysia tropical environment, rich biodiversity, and the presence of natural habitat around airport, bird strike cases are relatively common and require systematic management. This report analyzed bird strike incident at Malaysia Airport by examining characteristics of air transportation advantages and disadvantages, infrastructure policy issue, stakeholder, and real-world case study based on the guideline provided. Okay, for the next slide is characteristic of air transportation. Air transportation is highly structured mode of transport that involves aircraft movement through controlled airspace managed by aviation authorities. Its characteristics include high-speed travel. Air transport provides the faster travel method over long distance, making it vital for tourism, international business, and cargo. Complex operational system. Airport must coordinate runway, taxiways, terminal, and air traffic control. Dependence of safety regulation. Strict international standard under ICAO must be followed. Weather sensitivity. Aviation operations are affected by rain, storm, haze, and strong wind. Vulnerability to wildlife hazard. Bird and other animals can interfere with aircraft movement, especially during takeoff and landing. Okay, for the third slide is advantages and disadvantages. Okay, I will explain the advantages first. Faster mode and of long distance travel, high safely standard, support tourism and global connectivity, efficient for cargo, perishable goods. For the disadvantage, high operational cost, dependent of favorable weather, environmental impact, noise and emission, vulnerable to wildlife hazard including bird strikes. Okay, for the infrastructure network in Malaysia, major hub like KLIA2, Penang Airport, Senai Airport, Kota Kinabalu Airport, Kuching Airport, Subang Airport. Air routes domestic from KL to Penang, KL to Kota Kinabalu, KL to Kuching. For international, KL to Singapore, KL to Bangkok, like KL to Dubai. This is safety infrastructure like bird control unit BCU, radar system, runway inspection vehicle, wildlife hazard management team. For the policies related to air transportation and bird strike safety, ICAO enact 40 Airport Wildlife Hazard Management, Malaysia Civil Aviation Regulation 2016, MASCOM Safety Guideline, Malaysia Airport Wildlife Hazard Management Plan, Local Airport SOPs, Habitat Control Bird Scaring Devices, Race Head Management, Reporting System for Bird Strike Incident. Okay, for the issue and challenges, bird strike management at Malaysian airport faces various challenges caused by natural biodiversity, human activities, and technological limitations. Malaysia's tropical climate support a high bird population, while airport surroundings such as wetland, downside, and agricultural areas attract birds into flight path. Seasonal seasonal migratory birds further increase risk, and many airports lack advanced wildlife detection system. Growing aircraft movement also increase the frequency of potential bird encounters. For the key issue and challenges, high bird population due to Malaysia tropical ecosystem, airport surrounding that attacked by seasonal bird migration, increased strike frequency, limited use of advanced bird detection technology, human activities near airport that attract wildlife. For the stakeholder analysis, government agencies play a central role in managing bird strike safety in Malaysia. The Ministry of Transport set national aviation policies, while the Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia oversees safety enforcement and incident investigation. MASCOM regulate airport operation and protect consumer rights and perhilitan support wildlife control and habitat management around airport areas to reduce bird activity. Airport operators are also key stakeholders in ensuring safe operation. Malaysia Airport Holding Berhad manage airport facilities and coordinate with the airport wildlife hazard management team to monitor and control wildlife pressure. The airport fire and rescue service conduct runway inspection, provide emergency response, and support prevention measures that minimize the risk of bird strike. Airlines, passengers, environmental groups, and local communities contribute to this safety ecosystem as well. Airlines such as Malaysia Airlines, Asia, Batik Air, and cargo operators are responsible for reporting bird strike incidents and complying with aircraft safety procedures. Passengers are directly impacted through delay, cancellation, and potential safety risks. Environmental organizations like the Malaysia Nature Society assist in monitoring bird migration pattern, while local residents and council support proper waste management and land use planning to ensure the airport environmental does not attract people. For the case study bird strike incident at KLIA, one well-known case occurred when an Air Asia aircraft departing from KLIA to experience a bird strike shortly after takeoff 2022. The pilot detected engine vibration and decided to return for emergency landing. Impact of the incident, aircraft inspection and repair required, flight delay for over 180 passengers, cost inflation for the airline, temporary disruption to airport traffic flow. Because KLIA is surrounded by forest area and wetland which attract birds such as minas, angel, eagles, kittens, and starling. The importance of the case study is highlight to need for stronger wildlife monitoring, better airport environment control, quick pilot response during emergencies. Okay, for the conclusion, bird strike continue to pose significant challenges to air transportation safety in Malaysia, causing risk to passenger aircraft damage and disruption to airport operation. Although regulation and airport system have improved, wildlife behavior and human activity around airport make this issue difficult to eliminate completely. Effective management requires strong operation between all stakeholders. Government agencies must maintain strict aviation and wildlife policies. Airport operators need to exchange monitoring and hazard control, and airlines should ensure proper reporting and safety procedures. Environmental groups support monitoring of bird population, while local communities play a role by managing waste and land use to reduce wildlife extraction. Moving forward, Malaysia must continue investing in modern technology, strengthening interagency coordination, and improving wildlife hazard management strategies. This effort will help ensure that the nation's aviation sector remains safe, efficient, and reliable for all users. Okay, for the last one is recommendation. My recommendation for this topic is to further reduce bird strike. The following recommendation can be considered by install advanced bird detection radar at major airports, strengthen habitat management including drainage improvement and crash control, increase collaboration between MAHB, Perkhidmatan and local council, educate nearby communities about the impact of illegal dumping and animal feeding, conduct regular wildlife risk assessment and improve reporting system.